And here's I'll show you how to insert SIM card in your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. All you have to need, you'll get a SIM ejector tool in your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. All you have to need, use the SIM ejector to gently remove this SIM tray. Just insert this ejector into this little hole and push gently, and then here we can see the SIM tray come out. Now just remove the SIM tray, and here we can see the SIM tray. Now let's add our SIM here. So you have to use this side of your SIM. All you have to need, insert this SIM just like so. And once you successfully added your SIM card here, again reinsert the SIM tray gently. Don't push harder, just gently insert the SIM tray. And now unlock your phone and go to your settings. In settings, tap on connections. And here, make sure to turn on the SIM card. And that's it. This is how we can actually insert SIM in our Samsung Galaxy A16 device. My SIM is damaged SIM, so here we can't see any network available. Thanks for watching.